Today, I like to give a presentation on our topic Scanner for Books under the guidance of Pragati Pejlekar ma'am. Introduction. One common way to obtain information in the modern society is to read books. As books are not portable enough to carry, they have been demand for electronic books. Plenty of devices for digitization of books called book scanners have been invented. Book scanning is the process of converting physical books into digital media such as images, electronic text or electronic books, etc. For companies and organizations, it is important that the records are kept in their best and most readable conditions by transforming them into a digital format. Digital books can be easily distributed, reproduced and read on screen. The digitization of books require a scanner. Scanner consists of camera which will capture the image and turn the pages without any user interaction. Next, problem statement. Libraries have traditionally been limited by the number of individuals they can reach, space for physical text storage, and challenge of finding the specific information requested by a user. Preserving books and documents have become a hectic problem for today's world. All of these problems can be solved by storing information digitally, as text can be kept in a small space at a low cost, also protected against physical damage, and can be made searchable. Then moving ahead to literature survey. Literature survey has total 6 papers. First, open source linear book scanner. In this, they have explained now how the book moves back and forth over the machine and the vacuum sucks a page from one side to other. In the second paper, automatic page turning mechanism with near field electroadhesive force for linearly correctable imaging. In this, they have used electroadhesive pad and a rotating arm. In third paper, automatic book scanner, they have shown working flow chart of system. First, the book is placed on cradle, then the camera captures the picture, image is processed, then Raspberry Pi saves the picture of the page into a folder in PDF format. We have taken most of the mechanism from this paper. They have shown top view and side view of the structure. In fourth paper, robotic book scanner, they have used different mechanisms for page turning that are big finger and little finger, small wheel with little finger where the wheel creates friction and lifts the page and the little finger flicks it over. Then the vacuum lift scanner, scissor vacuum flipper and the page turner. Such different mechanisms they have used. In book flipping and scanning machine paper, they have again used V-shaped cradle, a robotic arm and a vacuum pickup head. In the sixth paper, automatic book scanning, they have used a shaft which will turn the page. The shaft consists of one fixed roller and one variable roller as shown in this figure. Then moving ahead to comparative analysis, among all these 6 papers, we had taken different mechanisms from each one of the paper. This table explains why we have not taken some few methods and why we have taken some few methods from a particular paper. The next is proposed system. There are many different type of systems used for digitalization of book. The system we are using are V-shaped cradle for book handling, page pickup head which consists of fan and high speed motor to lift pages, and the page turner for turning the pages and camera module for scanning the pages. Next, implementation and result. This is V-shaped cradle with camera module mounted as shown in this figure. Cradle is made up of acrylic instead of using other glass substitute, as there are chances of breaking. When the book is placed on the cradle, the camera module moves left to capture the left hand side of the book and then moves right to capture the right hand side of the book. For page turning mechanism, we are using page turner arm to turn the pages to other side and page pickup head to lift the page up. Once the page is lifted, it will be turned by page turning arm. Page pickup head consists of high speed motor encased in a cubical box with a perforated opening. 12-volt DC motor is attached to a CPU fan blade to increase the airflow capacity, which is directed to go out from the other end of perforated cuboid. As air is pushed out when a page comes near the perforated base, it sticks to it face it till the motor is actuated. Raspberry Pi is the main brain of this system, where each unit will give its own feedback mechanism. A mini HDMI screen is connected to the Raspberry Pi, from where the Raspberry Pi is operated. Raspberry Pi use Raspbian operating system. We have coded the program in Python language in Python idle. Raspberry Pi saves the picture captured by the camera and stores it to the folder. Conclusion: scanning process is part of digitalization, and by developing scanner for books, hence manual work has been reduced. Due to the orientation of V-shaped cradle, book is properly held. Pages turn best for large books with sturdy bindings. The camera successfully captures all exposed pages and stores them into a folder. Therefore, physical documents or book can be easily converted into digital form. Thank you.